Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be using the strawberry seeds to germinate them and to raise strawberry seedlings. So I'll use these seedlings and I'll plant them in these cups filled with cocoa peat. These white strands you see are the leftovers of nasturtium roots because I had used the same cocoa peat for germinating the nasturtium seeds as well. So the roots have been left behind. So these are the seeds that I harvested from the strawberries, and now I'll pour them out onto my palm and then I'll gently sprinkle them on the surface of the cocoa peat, just like this. And some more in this glass as well. Sorry, my hand is obstructing the view. So the sprinkling of the seeds is done. I hope you can see the seeds on the surface of the cocoa peat. I will not cover the seeds with a layer of cocoa peat because as far as I know, strawberry seeds need a considerable amount of light to germinate. That is why I'll let them be like this. And what I'll do is I'll press the seeds down so that they touch the potting medium and they get ample supply of moisture from the moist cocoa peat. So I'm just pressing down the seeds like this. You can use firm pressure with your thumb and press the seeds down on the potting medium like this. The next thing I'll do is I'll sprinkle some water on the cocoa peat and then I'll cover the containers using cling film. You know, this is my staple technique while germinating seeds, and these technique, they never fail. This technique never fails and I almost always get 100% results. So you can see that I'm cutting out the cling film from the roll and I'll cover the top of the pot or the container with the cling film like this. I'll smooth out the creases and then I'll secure it like this. So both the containers have been covered using cling film. And this is the 7th day after I covered the seeds using the cling film. I don't know if you can see, but there are little seed heads that are emerging from the seeds. The first results are only visible after a week, provided that you keep these pots under direct sunlight during the day and bring them in at night. So this is the 10th day and the signs of germination are quite clearly visible. As you can see some tiny leaves sprouting from the seeds in this pot right there towards the right corner, and again in this pot as well. You can see the white seed heads that are pushing out of the seed coat. And this is day 13 and you can already see that the seedlings have started showing the greens. So there are the two leaves that have started emerging from the seedlings and I cannot tell you how much happy I am. This is absolutely a breathtaking experience. And this is day 17th. The seedlings have started emerging quite profusely, and this is absolutely a delight to even think that I can germinate strawberry seeds at home so easily without putting in much efforts. And if you see, I have dug holes in the cling film so that the seedlings do not damp off. They need some air for circulation, so I have provided them that through these holes, but I have not removed the cling film entirely. This is the 20th day. The seedlings are doing quite fine. They are growing at a very fast pace, and I haven't added any fertilizers or growth boosters. It's not advisable when the seedlings are so young. The fertilizers are too strong and they might just burn down the seedlings. So you just ensure that proper sunlight is provided to the seedlings in order to help them grow properly. That's all that is required at this stage. See that the containers do not dry out, and always try to water by placing the containers in a tray filled with water, not from the top. And this is finally day 24, and today I'll be removing the cling film because it's almost time. And the seedlings have grown quite enough. You can see, despite there being holes, the water droplets are still forming on the cling film, and I'll remove them at this juncture because now the seedlings have more or less hardened off to face the harsh sunlight directly. So as you can see, let me focus in a bit. You can see the seedlings. Now this container too, I'll remove the cling film, and voila, these are the seedlings. I've germinated them from strawberries bought from stores, and they are absolutely easy to grow. I have shown you the procedure. Please go ahead and try this out, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.
If I had 1,000 tongues